If you have old photos, blurry images, or even creative ideas that you never managed to bring to life, this video will interest you. Today I'm going to show you the new AI photo editing features of HitPaw FotorPea version 5.2, which comes with a revamped interface and much more advanced features. And the highlight is image generation with AI using the Nano Pro model, which allows you to create and transform images in a much simpler and faster way. So stay with me until the end, because I'm going to show you practical and real examples of how to use it. But first, subscribe to the channel. And to watch the videos without ads, just click the join button. Deal? Then let's get to the video. For those who don't know yet, HitPaw FotorPea is a photo editing software with artificial intelligence mainly focused on improving image quality, restoring old photos, and generating new images with AI. In version 5.2, the program received an updated interface with more functions organized differently and more clearly, making the editing workflow much more intuitive. Everything happens directly in the app installed on your computer, which ensures more stability and performance, especially for those who work with high-resolution images. Well guys, today I want to show you the new version of HitPaw FotorPea. I'll leave the link right here in the description of this video. And one of the advantages of this program is that it runs locally, so you don't need to share your photos on the internet. Everything you do will be saved on your computer. So after you download and install the program on your computer, you'll come across this interface here. And you can already notice that we can do a lot of things with this program. For example, improve the image, swap faces, restore an old photo, use Nano Pro to generate images, enhance the text in an image. If you have a group photo, you can also enhance it using HitPaw FotorPea. So there are several features available here, all within the same program. Let's get started then by improving an image. I'm going to click here on Enhance Photos now. I'll use this image I found on the internet, which is in pretty bad shape. Here, on this panel on the right side, you'll find some artificial intelligence models that will help you improve the quality of your image. There are 4 models, so you'll choose the one that best fits the type of image you want to enhance. Here I have Smooth V1. It improves low-quality face images. It reconstructs facial textures for a smoother and sharper appearance. Now, Smooth V2 does the following. It enhances low-quality face photos. It preserves the original texture while restoring realistic facial details. Then we also have the realistic model. It's ideal for face images with extremely low quality or that are partially obscured. And finally, the sharp model. It enlarges low-quality portraits. It adjusts facial textures for an overall sharper appearance. So, you can keep testing here to see which one looks better depending on the image you uploaded here. I'm going to use the realistic one. For the intensity, I'll set it to high and preview it. Just look at the quality of this generation. It's really impressive because here on the left side I had a low resolution kind of blurry image. And here on the right side, it managed to recover the photo for me. It made everything cleaner and it looks really cool. Now let's test another model. I'll use Smooth V2 here. I'll preview it again. And look, in my opinion, this one turned out better because the image looks more natural. So it depends on your taste. You can keep testing these models here until you find the one that best fits the image you want to enhance. Besides choosing the model type here, you have other options as well. So you can upscale it 1x, 2x, 4x, or even 8x. You can choose the generative model, which is for low quality images with light, medium, or heavy noise. It emphasizes clarity and the generation of precise details for high quality results. Now, the smooth mode is for low quality images with medium to heavy noise. It focuses on smooth textures, delicate edges, and detail restoration. And the high fidelity one is for high resolution and sharp images. It maintains fine and natural textures in high quality. It is ideal for DSLR photos, posters, and AI-generated images. I'm going to select high fidelity here just to see how it turns out, and I'll ask to preview it again. Notice that now the image looks very natural. It performed a restoration here. You can see that the image is much better than the original one on the left. But it did the restoration in a much more natural way. So I think this way it turned out perfect. Now I want to test another example that's even worse. I'll select here to enhance photos again. I'll upload the image. Notice that it's really bad. But now I'm going to use this function here, enhance. Then I have some options. Portrait. It improves clarity and restores facial details in images. general zoom, suitable for general image scenarios, and maximum blur, designed for blur captured by the camera. I'll use portrait here. For the resolution, I'll set it to 400% and I'll ask it to generate. Just look at the quality of this restoration. This image here on the left, I got it from Google, from the internet. It hasn't had any kind of processing. It was a low resolution image, and it gave me this result here. If I like it, I just need to click here on export. Then I'll save this restored image directly to my computer when I click here on finish. Then I can further improve the quality of this image using other artificial intelligence models, doing upscaling. And I also have some enhancements like noise reduction, sharpness, text, animation, scratch repair, and so on. Speaking of scratch repair, now I'm going to upload an old photo here, and let's see if it can improve it. Done. So here I have my old photo. I'll click here on scratch repair. You can see that it can already detect them, where the main scratches are in this image. I can erase, move, and I also have the option here to increase or decrease the brush size. So if there's a scratch that the artificial intelligence couldn't identify, you can come here and do this process manually. If everything is fine, just click apply. And you can see that the scratches were completely removed. If you want to improve it even more, you can come here and ask to reduce the noise. You can also use this option here to colorize using artificial intelligence. And look how nice it turned out. So you can combine several processes here using artificial intelligence. Not only to improve the quality of an image, but also to recover old photographs. Once again, if you like the result, just click here to export. Then you'll download this file in high resolution directly to your computer. If you want to do an even finer edit, just click here on editor. From there, you can talk to the artificial intelligence and ask it to make any kind of change. For example, change the color of the clothes to white, and I'll send it. And look at that. It kept the consistency of the image and only changed the color of the clothes, which were black before and now are white. Well, you've already seen that you can restore and recover low quality photos. But now it's also possible to create images using artificial intelligence. And what's even better, with Nano Banana Pro. So I'll click here to use the new model. And here I have some options. Image to image, so I upload a reference image here and ask it to make the edit I want. I also have the option here, text to image. So all I have to do is type my prompt and the artificial intelligence will deliver that image to me. And here in the models, I have several inspirations. So as you can see, just click here on more models. And then I have a gallery here of photos that were edited, that were created by the community, and that I can use for what? To get inspired when creating my own image. So let's start with this option here, image to image. I'll upload an image here. Here I can add up to 3 more images as a reference, in case I want to make some kind of combination. Since that's not the case here, I'll just type my prompt. Fix the woman's tooth and keep everything else intact. Why did I ask for this? Because here, in the original image, she's missing her front tooth. And now, I'll choose the artificial intelligence model I want to use. Here in Gemini, I have Nano Banana and Nano Banana Pro. From ByteDance, Street Dream 4.0, from Flux, Flux.1 Context, Fast, CryoDev, and so on. And here in GPT, all the OpenAI models. I'm going to use Nano Banana Pro here. Notice that it will consume 32 credits. So each of the models here consumes a different amount of credits. I'll use Nano Banana Pro, and now I'll ask it to generate the image for me. Look how cool that is. It kept the same quality of the image, meaning there was no change. So it was already a low quality image, and it kept that and just restored the tooth. Look how nice that turned out. So you can upload any type of image here to FotorPea and let Nano Banana Pro make the necessary changes. Now you can also create images right here inside the tool. So I'm going to click here on text to image. I'll paste my prompt once again, use Nano Banana Pro here, and I'll ask it to create. And there you go. Here it is, the image that was generated. So it's a complete program because besides improving quality, restoring old photos, or even making small changes using artificial intelligence, you can also generate images without leaving FotorPea. Cool, right? So if you work with images or just want to improve your photos using artificial intelligence, HitPaw FotorPea offers a pretty complete set of features. From improving old photos to generating images with AI using Nano Banana Pro. Everything was designed to make the process easier and save you time. The link to download HitPaw FotorPea is down here in the description of this video, so hurry because it's worth testing and exploring the new features. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.